Welcome to Brain Booster. Did you know that tortoises are more intelligent than you think? This might come as a surprise, but these shelled creatures are quite the geniuses in their own right. Break away from the assumption that reptiles like tortoises are dull-minded. In reality, these creatures are far more clever than they are given credit for. Let's delve into a fascinating study conducted by scientists. They put tortoises and laboratory rats in mazes with food as the reward at the end. The goal? To compare their problem-solving abilities and navigational skills. The outcome was astonishing. The tortoises not only outperformed the rats in finding the food, but they also showcased an impressive memory by not revisiting the same area twice. Quite the strategic thinkers, aren't they? But their intelligence doesn't stop at navigating mazes. Tortoises, it seems, are quite the social creatures too. They have a remarkable ability to recognize faces. Yes, you heard that right. Tortoises can remember and easily recognize faces, and they even show preferences for certain types of faces. This is a clear testament to their powerful recollection and perception abilities, making them much more complex creatures than one might initially think. So, it's time we start viewing tortoises in a new light. These slow-moving creatures are not just endearing for their unique appearance, but also for their surprising intelligence. They are strategic, they are social, and they have a memory that rivals many other species. In their own unique way, they are a testament to the diverse forms of intelligence found in the animal kingdom. So next time you see a tortoise, remember they might be smarter than they appear. These creatures are not just about their hard shells and slow pace. They are embodiments of slow yet steady intelligence, navigating their world with precision and memory. Don't underestimate the tortoise. They're full of surprises, and their intelligence is certainly one of them. Did you know that the weather plays a significant role in the life of a tortoise? Yes, it's true. The weather can indeed shape the very life of a tortoise even before it hatches from its egg. Now, you may be wondering, how does that happen? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of tortoises to find out. You see, when a tortoise egg is still incubating, the gender of the little creature inside is not yet determined. It's the weather that steps in and plays a crucial role in this process. If the weather is warm, the egg will most likely hatch a female tortoise. Conversely, if the weather is cold, the egg will most likely yield a male tortoise. Amazing, isn't it? The very elements of nature helping to decide the gender of these incredible creatures. But the influence of weather on a tortoise's life doesn't stop there. It also affects the color of a tortoise's shell. Generally, tortoises that thrive in hot, sunny weather conditions have shells that are lighter in color. It's as if they are wearing their own little sun hats, isn't it? On the other hand, tortoises that thrive in colder, darker climates typically sport shells that are darker in color. It seems like they have their own built-in winter coats. The weather also plays a role in a tortoise's daily life. For instance, tortoises are known to be more active during the cooler parts of the day in hot climates and vice versa in colder environments. They adjust their lifestyle according to the weather, displaying a level of adaptability that is truly impressive. In essence, the weather is a silent, omnipresent force that shapes the life of a tortoise in ways we're only just beginning to understand. It's a testament to the intricate balance of nature and the adaptability of these remarkable creatures. So the weather doesn't just affect us humans, it has a profound impact on the life of a tortoise too. Did you know that tortoises have been around for almost 300 million years? That's right. These slow and steady creatures have been plodding along on our planet for longer than most of the life forms we know today. They've been here since the time when dinosaurs roamed the land and have outlived them by a long shot. When we think of ancient creatures, we often picture dinosaurs, their massive forms dominating the landscape. But while the dinosaurs came and went, tortoises were there, quietly going about their business. Their prehistoric ancestors, who first appeared almost 300 million years ago, didn't have shells like the tortoises we know today. But as time rolled on, they evolved, adapting to new habitats and conditions. Some of them chose to stay in the sea, becoming the ancestors of modern-day sea turtles. Others ventured onto land, evolving into the tortoises we're familiar with. Nearly 200 million years ago, all sea tortoises became extinct. But the land-dwelling tortoises persisted, adapting and evolving to survive in a changing world. These prehistoric tortoises were quite similar to the ones we see today, which means they've changed very little over hundreds of millions of years. This makes tortoises one of the oldest groups of reptiles, older than snakes, lizards, and even birds and mammals. Their long existence and ability to endure through the ages bear testament to their resilience and adaptability. But it's not just their longevity that's impressive. Tortoises have a slow and steady approach to life. They reproduce slowly, reach sexual maturity over many years, and live in isolated environments. Their strong shells protect them from predators, and their slow metabolisms allow them to survive in harsh conditions. These traits have helped them survive and thrive for millions of years, making them one of the true survivors of the prehistoric era. So, the next time you see a tortoise, take a moment to appreciate this ancient creature. Remember that they've been around for almost 300 million years, witnessing the rise and fall of countless species. The tortoise is truly a prehistoric survivor. Did you know that tortoises have a unique way of smelling? While we humans and many other animals primarily rely on our noses to catch a whiff of the world around us, tortoises employ a different organ altogether. This organ, known as the vomeronasal organ, is nestled within the soft tissue of the nasal cavity, specifically on the roof of the mouth. This special organ is not exclusive to tortoises. It can also be found in all lizards and snakes, as well as other amphibian reptiles and even some mammals. But how does it work for our slow-paced friends? Quite ingeniously, actually. The air is cycled through the tortoise's nose and then redirected into the mouth. This unique process effectively boosts their sense of smell, allowing them to interact with their environment in a way that is distinctly their own. So, not only are tortoises intelligent, but they also have a unique way of interacting with their environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.